Have you ever wanted to look like an international criminal? Well, I got the product for you. Coolhackers.exe. The exe is just for show because this is a Linux app, but whatever. Steal grandma's credit card. Cripple a developing nation. Dox a middle school. You might be asking, Otto, what the actual fuck? Good question. It all started on insert date and time when I had the genius video idea, which was to stop trying to come up with a genius video idea and just pull something straight out of my ass, which was unfortunately this fake hacky computer buzzword thing. But what does that mean? It means terminal UI, random bullshit all up in your face, scrolling text words, and oh, that's your home address. I'm really tired of doing that step-by-step video style, so I'll just show you the worst parts of the project and fuck off. The first log in this massive pile of shit is the /hacksomeguy.exe command. Not only because it took my dumbass like 30 minutes to get scanf to work, but also because you have to wait 20 seconds minimum for the whole thing to complete. Numero 2 is that it's all in the fucking main function. Everything. I was so committed into making this project into Lachi de Usho. I fucking butchered that. Holy shit. That I copy pasted the only other function in the file into main, which by the way, it is the only file. It's all one single file with one main function housing all of it, which I guess makes sense because it's only like 80 something lines, but
could you keep it down?
But sure, yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Anyways, the last thing, maybe not. I don't even know yet, but maybe the last thing is it's a folded cat. I'm not explaining what that means. Figure it out yourself.
Holy shit, you folded a cat?
But why are you in my vent?
You mean our vent?
Maybe. And now onto the next part of the video.
You know, I'm really starting to like you if you're folding cats in here.
Well, it was more of a like an ASCII. Yeah, thanks. I'm doing that. Yeah, that's my thing.
Okay, bye.
And now that was the last thing, by the way. I was right. That was it. Anyways, it's time for the last part of the video, which is a live demo of the entire project, which is not very hard because this video was kind of just a bullshit nothing burger I made up to break my 2 to 3 month no upload streak. But yeah, anyways. Okay, we are going to demo hackers.exe. This fucking project, I don't get what this project was. You've got the help command, which tells you all sorts of shit. Okay, so I forgot to add in the rest of the commands on the command. This fly, it keeps coming back. Holy shit. By the way, I made this when I was fucking sleep deprived at 2 in the morning, I think. I'll have to check the... Anyways, how much hacking? Ooh. Minimum is 20, so if you try something lower than that. 10, those are baby bitch numbers. Do a bigger number. 15, those are... Yeah, you get the point. And it'll basically just go through just some like random crap that I wrote. All sorts of shit. I don't know why it's not here. Wait, hold on. Oh my god, fucking 6-7. Give it a second. Give it like a couple days. Here we go. Yeah, now we're back in business. If I go to help, it should. So I forgot a new line character right there, but whatever. Epic does something crazy. I actually went all out on this command right here because it does something really crazy. Leave. So it's, I wanted to avoid calling it exit or quit because someone might actually think to type that in. And I wanted it to be hard as fuck to leave. And yeah, that's all the commands. I also forgot another fucking new line right there, but whatever. And right there, okay. And to show off Epic, it's crazy, okay? Prepare yourself. I hope you're sitting down. Yeah, I pretty much just got lazy. And I post, it's just ASCII art. That's what the folded up cat was.
Wait, you telling me that wasn't actually folded up cat?
What? No. Different folded up cat. There's a real folded up cat, but then there's also the ASCII art that's actually just a folded up cat.
I think I'm not liking you anymore. I think I'm starting to see through your lies.
No,
Huh?
like I said, it's two different cats.
Okay. Okay. Well, bye.
Anyways, then yeah, last but not least is you can leave, and then it asks you, please stay here. I'm not pronouncing that. And if you say yes, it's happy. And if you say no, then just very kind words, kind parting words, kind parting message. That's the whole project. I pretty much just wanted to break the 2 month to 3 month, whatever it is right now, streak of no uploads. So yeah, broke that streak with this shit. Oh, by the way,